Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to add friends on Clash of Clans game using your mobile device. If you want to add friends on Clash of Clans, first of all, open up the Clash of Clans application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged into the main game section, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now, once you open up this section, go to Social at the top and then click on Search Players. Now enter the players tag in the text box you want to add. After typing down their player tag, tap on Search and the contact will be shown on the display once you match with the player tag. Now click on Add Friend. Click on OK and you will be able to send the Clash of Clans request to the chosen person. Once they accept your request, you both will be added as friends. They'll appear inside your friend list. After you have them as your friend, you can visit their base, chat, and invite them to clans. That's how you add friends in Clash of Clans quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.